Hi everyone, it's Ann here from Stamp with Ann, and I'm excited to be with you today. Today thought I would pop in for a quick minute to share with you my Happy Thoughts online class. I've had a lot of questions regarding it, and I just thought sometimes people are visual. I'm a visual person, so I wanted to share what you will get. AKA, the name of my class series is called Chocolate and Cards. Why did I call it Chocolate and Cards? Well, first, I love eating chocolate and I love creating cards, so I thought I would put them together and name it Chocolate and Cards. Some people call theirs Coffee and Cards, some people just call it a card class online. I wanted to give mine a name, so I thought Chocolate and Cards was the way to go. So this month, this is my second class that I'm offering this month for the month of January. It's called the Happy Thoughts card class. It is $41 and includes shipping here in Canada. So I thought I would share with you what you will get for that $41. So first of all, you're going to get the Happy Thoughts stamp set. So here is the stamp set. If you already have this stamp set and wanted to substitute it out, you could. You just have to substitute for equal value. So this is the stamp set. It's $1 million stamp set designed by Jackie Bullholz. She's a demonstrator in the US. So you're going to get that. You're going to get the supplies to create 6 cards. So here are the supply kits. So you're going to get all the stuff you need. So basically the card guts ingredients is what you're going to get. So you're going to get your card bases, you're going to get envelopes, you're going to get all the pieces you need. All you have to do is stamp. I cannot stamp for you, so that is just something you will have to do. If your piece is embossed, it will be embossed for you. If it's punch, I will punch it out for you, and you just need to stamp. So you're going to get the Happy Thought stamp set. You're going to get 2 each of 3 designs. So you're making 6 full cards. Plus, of course, I said it's a chocolate class, so you will get some type of chocolate included in your kit. Each month it will vary, and it will most likely just be plain chocolate because I know some people actually have allergies and I don't want to send anything with nuts. It will be done fancy in a cute little container or a cute little holder. So that's just to show you. So you're gonna get the stamp set. You're going to get the supplies to make 6 cards, 2 each of 3 designs. Plus, you're gonna get a treat. And you're also going to get a video that I will walk you through step by step on how to create this card, these cards. The neat thing about a video is you can stop it and go as many times as you like, and then you can just watch me anytime you want. In the middle of the night, early in the morning, it's up to you. It'll just be like you and I are crafting in your own stamp room. For this class, you will need some additional things. You're going to need clear blocks, you're going to need adhesive, and you're going to need some ink pads. The ink pads that I used are Night and Navy and Memento ink. So you could get away with just using Memento ink for all of them, but I did use one color with Night and Navy. If you wanted to add, so this class is $41. If you wanted to add, so basically the stamp set is worth $29. If you wanted to add to the $29 to get a free Sale-A-Bration, you're more than welcome to do that. You would just need to email me your order and let me know. Then if you're spending $60, you're going to get a free Sale-A-Bration item. Plus, if you're spending over $50, you'll get one of the Rising Hearts thank you as my way of saying thank you, which is my sweet rewards for the month of January. So I wanted to share a sneak peek. Actually, it's not a sneak peek of the card that you will be making in the class, but I wanted to share another card that I've made with the Happy Thought stamp set, just so you can see what it looks like. This will be on my blog this week. So just wanted to show you what the greeting looks like. Super cute. So that is basically what you will get in the Happy Thoughts class, big class planner kit. RSVPs are due January 30th, which is next Saturday, I believe. Then what I will do is I will place the order all the supplies, order the stamp sets. Once they come in, I will package them up. You can either do porch pickup or you can do, I can mail them to you via Canada Post. If you are on my Stamp to Create team and you are interested in purchasing just the card kit, so just basically all the supplies to create the card kit, that is $15. If you want to learn about being on my Stamp to Create team, right now is a great time during Sale-A-Bration. You get to pick out $165 worth of product. You pay $135. There's no shipping here in Ontario or taxes. And you get 5 free packs of designer series of paper valued at $80. So if you would like more information, you can reach out to me at www.stampwithann.com. If you're interested in signing up for this class, just email me. There is class details on about this class on my blog. I will link it in this video. And if you have any other questions, please let me know. I hope that you can join us in this fun online class, and I'm looking forward to showcasing my 2 February classes to you very soon. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.